Landed a file.
Oh, first relic on file is
a file.
Is a file.
And check that out. I only stuck the shovel in and the file kicked right out.
Nice.
I didn't even have to dig a plug. That's awesome.
And so it begins.
Yep.
There we go with the lead caps. It's one of the roof nail sealer lead things. Number 82. Now this is one effing find. Look at that effing find. You're not gonna believe this effing thing.
Take another one? F you.
So this episode is brought to you today by the letter F.
Oh, like two-piece ball button type.
Oh yeah.
I think it's a button.
What'd that ring up?
It's like, it's deep. It's like 50-ish in the ground.
Yeah.
And
I'm just saying, same as everything else.
yeah, 52.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's almost like it was
That is cool.
like a sew-on
Ball button.
ball button.
Different.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
Oh, that's weird. I dug one of those. I don't know if it was a week ago or 2 weeks ago.
Oh, it's like a
Same thing.
ring. So there'd be like a canvas or a tarp type.
Oh, and a big loop so you could put a rope through it or something.
Yeah.
Can't be good, there's no roots. Oh.
It is. It is deep iron.
Clumpy.
Clumpy.
Oh. We actually have one of those outside the shack door.
What is it?
It's one of those shapes with the thing. It's definitely part of the larger picture as it was.
Yeah, that makes.
You can see it broken.
Yep.
That looks like a little keyhole sketching thing.
I think it is. For a small thing.
Nice.
Yeah, I pulled a ton of scrap metal out of there before I found this.
And the scrap that came out was the actual lock mechanism.
Yep. Yeah, let's see if we can get a brush on that.
I'd check this whole thing again.
Yeah, I definitely will. Oh yeah, I can see it. See the keyhole?
Yeah.
Right there.
Good. I think I got a coin. I didn't call you over because right here is a big chunk of iron, so I thought I might be haloing, but right there.
Well, let's see, because when we walked in, I said, "Give me some wheat." And they've been common here.
I'm gonna give it a scrub. Yeah, I think I see the 1 cent on the back, and that's definitely Lincoln on front.
Nice.
It is a coin.
Yeah. Well, you know, we love our early settler colonial stuff, but to me there's something also intriguing about our Depression era out here.
Yes.
With the cabins. Because
Absolutely.
the towns had 35 people in them, and
It shows
it was the same as the 1750s.
the span of occupation.
Right. So I've grown to really love this era of stuff out here. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's the same both ways.
Yeah.
Definitely. Whatever it is, it's down there a ways, I think. But in case it's a coin, I don't want to ding it, so.
No.
What? Are you kidding me?
83.
83. Now that's a signal I was not walking by.
Wow. Well, it just goes to show there's still great signals out here, and realistically we've only backed up not even a couple hundred feet from the cellar, so
Right.
so much ground to still cover.
I know. Hard stopper.
Nice. All right, so here's mine, and Dame just dug the perfect complement
There you go.
to the letter collection.
Brought to you by the letters F and U. Oh. It's very, very old wire.
Terminal.
Yeah.
See, it's got that raised edge there.
Huh. Is it heavy?
It's heavy for its weight, yeah. Looks like maybe it had said something.
Huh. It could be a glorified washer.
Yeah, I think it is. Fancy washer.
Hey, that's the button I dug.
Yeah, I just dug 2 loo buttons.
Tulu? Tulu.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Kind of like you two, but it's Tulu.
Wow. Backs? Yeah. Shankage.
Yep. It's a stick, but yeah, that's where the shanks
Now that's
are.
cool because...
Same hole, like 2 inches deep.
Jeez. Didn't think we'd ever see another one of those again.
This is the first one I've ever dug.
Hey, well, if you're going to do it twice, you know?
That's right.
Good job, Waynos.
Right? In the rough zone, too.
Another washer?
No. It's like
Oh, whoa.
a buckle. But it has like a little push clip.
That's different.
Yeah. You see right here.
Ain't never seen one of them before.
Yeah.
Cool. It is actually a button. Like a sew-on button.
So I dug this out, this chunk of iron something or other out from underneath all of this.
Mm-hmm.
And then I stood up and just swung over again, and I still heard that 74 tone. I got a penny.
Nice. What do we got?
Memorial.
Really? Not even wheat? Oh, yeah. Well, still a coin in the mix, Nate.
Yeah.
Give me a nice little file.
Oh, cool. That's how we started the day with Waynos.
Yeah.
Good. Well, I didn't film this signal because it's just like everything else. I just pulled a bunch of nails and look at that. That's what I saw. And that was probably the signal I was actually clipping. Beautiful. Almost where we're standing.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah, well, another good day, and a lot of 44 to 48 signals. I just dumped the footage because it was just non-stop, which is great because there's that many signals. I mean, you dig it up, worst case Ontario, it's a piece of lead. But we'll come back next week and do it again. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Let's go home.
Worst case Ontario.